Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Let's make this yummy creamy pasta. So guys, here is what we are going to be using in today's food. I have my heavy whipping cream, I have my red pepper, I have this I don't know what to call it, macaroni, spaghetti, whatever. I have my seasoning, of course, this is my best, my garlic and my onion, and I have these parsley leaves right here. I have this mozzarella cheese, and I have my fish. What's it called? This is like the tilapia thing, fish. Um, so I have my boiling water. I'm going to be cooking the pasta. I'm going to be cooking it in here. Yeah. After that, take that out. I'm going to be cooking it, but not making it like done. Like it's not going to be 100% soft. More like 80% soft, if that makes sense. It's going to be more like 80% soft, and then the rest will be in for it. So on this separate pot, on this pot, I'm going to be putting in my vegetable oil, and I'm going to be throwing a little bit of butter in there. And now I have my chopped onions. I'm going to be putting in my chopped onions in there. And also, if you, I mean, you mustn't put the butter, or if you don't want to, you can use only butter, you can use only the avocado oil, you can use only vegetable oil, whichever oil you're comfortable with using, you can go ahead and use that. But I just decided to mix the two, you know. You just, when it comes to cooking, just do whatever you want to do. So here I have these little chopped onions. I'm going to be frying that in for about 2 minutes. And after that, I'm going to now put in all my seasonings. I'm going to put in my chicken seasoning. I'm going to put in my onion, my garlic powder, and everything. I'm just going to put in everything in here. And also, I'm going to be pouring in my heavy whipping cream. And then the pepper is totally like not is totally optional, like you don't have to put that in if you don't like. So now I'm going to stir everything and leave it to cook for about 30 seconds. Let me just say 1 minute, it just depends on what you have going on. And then I'm going to, okay, I just added a few more, which is more like all the things I have in the cup, just kind of like putting everything in to make sure I don't have anyone left out there. So I'm just letting that boil, and I'm just turning. This looks real good, you guys. This tasted amazing. Like, I loved it. I enjoyed it. The kids enjoyed it, and it was just really nice. Then I'm going to be pouring in my pasta. On this part, you want to cover up and kind of like reduce the heat, tone down the heat a bit, so it kind of like cooks on low heat a little, a little bit, just to let all that cream get into that pasta real good. So I had to turn down and cook on a little bit lower heat than what I was cooking in before. So now we are waiting for this to just get done. Let's get to frying the fish. So I already seasoned my fish with some paprika, some chicken seasoning, some cayenne pepper, and all of that. I mean, I don't know, I didn't show that here, but if you want that, I can always do that. Do it like as a separate video for you guys to show you how I make my fish. So then in this pan I threw in my butter and let that heat up a bit, and then place in my fish. You guys, my kitchen was smelling so good. Like this, I'm just sitting down here reminiscing on this food. It was so good. It was just so good. So yeah, that's how I felt. Like I said, I already seasoned the fish with some paprika, cayenne pepper, some chicken, like the Knorr powdered cube that I usually use in all my videos. If you have any chicken seasoning, you can go ahead and use that. I remember I will put this one down in the description box. I can't remember the name right now, but I'm going to put it down in the description box so you know which one. It says this particular one I added to. I loved the taste it gave it. Like, I love the taste it gave my fish, and I really liked that one. So if you want to use that one alone, that's perfect. So perfect. I love the taste. So we are just going to wait for this to cook while we are also waiting for the pasta to just get ready. Yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this video. If you guys have any food suggestion at all, please leave that in the comment section. Any food suggestion you would like me to cook, please leave that in the comment section. And also don't forget, if you have not subscribed, please do go ahead. What are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button down there and click on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video. I usually post new videos on Thursdays and on Sundays, so you will definitely be getting a notification around 10 a.m. Thursdays and Sundays. And if I have the strength, I'm going to also post more on more days. Like if I have the strength to edit more videos, and I'll be able to post more a week. So that's Sundays and Thursdays, which makes it 2 times a week. And I'm also active on Instagram at @Bbahaorcollection. So I'll be leaving all details down in the description box. You can go ahead, go there and follow me on Instagram. Yeah, and I want to see you guys on Instagram as well. So now I'm flipping the side to the other side of the fish, and we are going to cook on that side as well. You guys, look at how this fish is looking. This fish was so good. It was so good, like too good. I'm not even gonna lie. So we are checking up on our pasta right now, and this is what we have on here. So now I'm going to be adding that cheese I showed you guys earlier, and I'm going to be adding it, turning it, and just turning off the stove. So the heat and everything, cheese is very easy to melt. So the heat on the food will just do the job. Okay, like look at that. Oh my god, look at that goodness. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So you guys, yeah, now our fish is almost there. Like there. Okay. Our fish is almost there and it's getting ready. I'm so excited. I just love cooking, honestly. I'm not a chef. I already said it before. I'm not a chef or anything, but I enjoy cooking. I love cooking. Look at that goodness. Our food is ready, and I'm trying to dish this goodness out. Look at that. Woo. Okay, you guys, you can take your plate. You can lick the screen at this point. Just go ahead. I give you my permission to lick the screen. Oh, this is good. Thank you guys for watching. I am so excited to have you here. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and family. Don't be stingy. Go ahead and share the video, like the video, leave a comment down below, and I added a little bit of my parsley leaves that I showed you guys earlier on. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!